Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Edgeware EVM node with Metamask. First, we have a default account for you to use. So just copy the private key here and then open Metamask and import account and paste it in there. Press import. And I like to give my accounts different names. And I'm going to name mine Edgeware EVM. Now I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to your local Edgeware developer node. So the information is down here, and you can copy the URL, click on networks, and then custom RPC. And I've already entered this network in before, so it remembers mine, but you want to put in the correct information that I'm putting in. Click save, and then add network. So now you're connected with a bunch of ETH. All right, so now you're all set up, and I'll catch you in the next video.